Package secured. Time and time again, I look at this car and I say, damn, this car is looking like a piece of, seasoned sirloin beef. But the one thing that I hate about this freaking car, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people agree with me, is this. Taillights. The taillights on the Subarus 2015 to 2020, 2021 gotta be the most ridiculous looking taillights ever. At least for me. And I guess because of the color combo that I got going on with the whole car, we got the gunmetal rims and, the black accents, the blue accents. The red just doesn't make sense to me. Until Today, as you can see by the thumbnail, we are finally changing these stupid taillights on this car. And a lot of you might think, what'd you go with, bro? I went with none other than V-Land. Nah, I'm kidding. I did not go V-Land. I went, as some of you may know me from the headlight video, which I got a ton of views on. Thank you very much. I went completely left side, completely different, completely what you don't see usually. Don't get me wrong. They're on the street, but the headlights, these headlights, especially the Spec-D, you don't really see too much of them on the street. And I like that. I like being different, unique. I like doing things to the car that you don't see often. Of course, a lot of upgrades on this car you see like in almost every car. But this one was different, and so are the taillights. Check it out. We have here a set of taillights from, wait for it, Spec-D. Yes, I also went Spec-D on the taillights just because the style is different, the look is different. I haven't seen them in person. I saw a bunch of videos on them, and I kind of like them. So we're gonna pop these on the car, and you'll see the reveal on the car, so I can do a comparison from old to new. So let's get into it now. Look at that. Before and after. Oh, that's so sick. You can see here on the stock, it's very like flat, like it doesn't pop out here, but on this one, look, they kind of exaggerated the curves and they made it pop out more on the side. That is so sick. All right, let's see how it looks with the lights on. Okay. See? No way. Oh, that's so sick, dude. I love it. Hell yeah. It is 3 8mm, and then this is your 10mm right there that comes out. Although, I don't think I need to take that out now that I think of it, because nothing clips onto it. I might have taken that out from there. We'll figure it out. Alright, so there is you can see here, it's a little dark, but there's a clip here, so just get a pry tool, take that out. sick. It's a quick upgrade for the car, but it makes the back end look 100% different, clean, unique, especially the taillights, because that's something you don't see on the street as often, and I like that about these taillights. And on top of that, they're nice. The sequential turn signals, the brake light, the reverse, everything about it is top tier. Spec-D knocked it out of the park again, in my opinion. A lot of people feel differently. I get a lot of compliments on the streets, on my Instagram, DM saying, you know, taillights or the headlights or whatever, they're not the best. The quality's not great. Look, I've had them for over a year now, those headlights, and they have not failed me yet. Cross my fingers. So I'm happy. That's why I went ahead with the taillights, the Spec-D taillights, and they're clean. I don't know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like. Subscribe. I'll be back with more content, I promise. If y'all didn't peep in the video, there is something there that you can see. Probably can already guess what it is, but if you don't, just wait for it. I promise you more content is coming. It's just this shit costs money and your boys gotta save. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.